In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in Monday.com. Whether you've accidentally deleted some important workspaces, boards, or even specific items or columns, rest assured, you can easily undo these actions with a few clicks. First things first, locate your profile icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen when logged into Monday.com. Go ahead and click on that icon. Now, a list of settings will graciously unfold before you. From this seemingly magical list, you'll want to select the option labeled Trash. It's like your very own time machine, allowing you to go back to retrieve those records you thought were gone forever. Upon entering the Trash section, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of elements that have been deleted. This isn't limited to just workspaces. It includes boards, docs, dashboards, and even fine details like items and columns. It's quite handy because everything is laid out clearly, allowing you to peruse through and identify exactly what you need to recover. Next, let's move on to the exciting part, recovering your lost records. Look closely at this list and check the boxes next to the specific things you want back. It might feel like shopping for your own content, browsing through what you've lost, and choosing to bring them back into your active projects. Once you've made your selections, it's as simple as clicking Restore, conveniently located at the bottom bar. With a satisfying click, like magic, or rather, thanks to Monday.com's intuitive design, you'll see your deleted records restored to their rightful places. One of the fantastic aspects of this feature is its reliability and ease of use, giving you peace of mind as you navigate and organize your projects. It's like having a safety net that ensures any accidental deletion isn't the end of the world. As you continue using Monday.com, knowing how to recover deleted records can be immensely reassuring. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool, allowing you to focus more on your important tasks without the lingering fear of losing critical data. Remember, this process can be done quickly and efficiently, empowering you to keep your projects on track with minimal disruption. So there you have it, a simple, user-friendly method of recovering those deleted records in Monday.com. I hope this guide sets you at ease, knowing that even if you slip up and hit delete by accident, you can always undo that action and bring your work back. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy restoring.